Universal quantities. Okay. Any other student who want to add into it? What is a fundamental quantity?
The main quantities that couldn't be dissolved any further into anything more simple.
Yeah, correct. Now let me start. What is a fundamental quantity? What do you mean by the exact statement of a fundamental quantity? A physical quantity which doesn't depend on any other physical quantity for its measurement is called a fundamental quantity. This is the exact and 100% correct definition, which doesn't depend, a quantity which doesn't depend on any other quantities. They're called the fundamental quantities. In science, in physics, we have few fundamental quantities. Is there anyone to tell me that what are how many fundamental quantities we have?
Seven.
Seven.
Yeah, we have by nature, by nature, we have seven fundamental quantities. Or we can say that the God has provided seven fundamental quantities. And what are these seven fundamental quantities? The name are, you can find mass, length, time, temperature, amount of substance, electric current, and then finally we have luminous intensity. Now here, length, as per the name, the length is a fundamental quantity, children. Length means length of any object, dimensions of any object, its length, its height, its a circumference of any ground, of any object on a circular object. Length is a fundamental quantity. To define, to derive, or to explain length, we are not required to use anything else. It's self-dependent quantity. It is not depending on any other thing. Length is length. Similarly, all other remaining six quantities, mass, time. You cannot derive time from any other quantity. This is self-exist time. Thermodynamic temperature means temperature. Unit, Kelvin. Symbol is K. Amount of substance that is used in your chemistry classes also, in kinetic theory of gases also, in that chapter when you need to deal with such type of questions. Amount of substance in mole, unit and symbol is mol. Electric current. Electric current is the part of your grade 10. We are not going to discuss anything about the current electricity in grade 9, but electric current, ampere, and the unit is ampere, symbol is capital A. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity is related to the brightness. As you can increase or decrease the brightness of your mobile phone, similarly that luminous intensity is related to the brightness of any object. Unit is candela, CANDLA, and CD. Even this term, luminous intensity, you won't find anywhere in grade 9 and grade 10. In higher classes, you can find the use of this luminous intensity in grade 11 onwards. You may note down, children, of this table, fundamental quantities. You can find, children, derived quantities. You can derive, see this name, derived. Derived means the quantities which are derived from, means to derive these quantities, we are completely dependent on the fundamental quantities. So derived means that they are derived with the help of some other quantities. To explain these quantities, we need some other quantities. So derived quantities depends on the other quantities. What are these other quantities? We have the fundamental quantities. Now see the definition, the physical quantity which is derived from, which are explained from more than one fundamental quantity is called a derived quantity. Is this clear, this statement, children?
Yes, sir.
Aaron, Kezia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the quantities which are derived from other quantities. You don't need to just copy and paste the exact same word. The quantities which are derived from the other quantities. Means derived quantities, I will give example. Means these quantities they explain with the help of fundamental quantities. Means fundamental quantities, mass, length, time, temperature, luminosity, density, current, all these. The 7 quantities, they depend, derived quantities depend on the 7 quantities. For example, area, density, force, acceleration, work. These are the example of derived quantities. So how I will take density. How density is a derived quantity, children? How
Mass over volume.
now see the density
Yeah,
is
mass.
D. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Actually, it depends the density of what? Okay, what substance? So mass, what is mass? Mass is a, what is this?
Fundamental
It's a
quantity.
fundamental quantity.
Oh.
So it's the
Fundamental
mass.
quantity.
And then mass in kilogram and the volume. For volume, let me write this on the volume, the cuboid LBH maybe. Length, breadth, and height. Length, breadth is again length. Length is a fundamental, breadth is a fundamental quantity. Height is a fundamental quantities. So mass divided by volume. So to derive this density, so this density equation is completely depending upon the fundamental quantity on mass. There are the 2 fundamental quantity, mass, and the second is the length. So density is depending upon the 2 fundamental quantities, mass and length. Even in terms of their unit, mass unit, kilogram in SI system, and length in SI system, I will take meter. So meter into meter into meter, this will be meter cube. So the unit of derived quantities, this kilogram per meter cube is the unit of derived quantities. Kilogram meter cube is the unit of derived quantities, children. You will note down this part. I hope this will be, further explanation will be there on this slide.
Sir, could we also put the meter cube up so it becomes meter to the power of -3?
Yes, you can write in that way also, kilogram meter -3.